Centro Cultural Laramarca. Centro Cultural. Chaynama kay Ajajora. Ajajora Upianchik kay Laramarca llaqtapi. Hoy día estamos celebrando el Día del Centro Cultural Laramarca. Y por esa oportunidad estamos brindando con chicha de jora. Today is July the 30th, and this is a holiday here in Laramarca. The Centro Cultural Laramarca, an old and characteristic institution here, is celebrating its anniversary, and we are enjoying Ajajora, which is corn beer. Sure.